Right. It's a little redneck patriotism here, so here we go. That's what I am. That's who I play for. You know I like chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio on. Up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the beaches grow. At my house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled with love that's grown in southern ground, and a little bit of chicken pie, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and no mother's love. It's funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most, not where you live, or what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind. This I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I see the sunrise, I see the love in my woman's eyes, I feel the touch of a precious child, no mother's love. Thank God for my life, for the stars and stripes, may freedom forever fly, and let it rain, salute the ones who died, the ones who gave their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love. My God, chicken pie, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I see the sunrise, I see the love in my woman's eyes, I feel the touch of a precious child,